everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular home design styles, farmhouse interior decor ideas. If you love cozy, inviting spaces with a touch of rustic charm, this is for you. Let's get started. Farmhouse decor is all about creating a warm and welcoming environment. It combines rustic elements, like weathered wood, with practical, homey touches to make your space feel both stylish and livable. Stick to a neutral color palette with whites, creams, and soft grays as your base. Add pops of color with muted tones like sage green, dusty blue, or warm terracotta for a modern farmhouse twist. Shiplap walls are a hallmark of farmhouse design. Pair them with exposed wooden beams or reclaimed wood furniture to add texture and that signature rustic charm. Focus on comfortable, practical furniture. Oversized sofas with slipcovers, distressed wood dining tables, and vintage-inspired chairs work perfectly to create that farmhouse vibe. Layer your space with cozy textiles like chunky knit throws, linen cushions, and jute rugs. These elements add warmth and make your home feel inviting. Decorate with farmhouse staples like galvanized metal trays, mason jars, and wicker baskets. These small details make a big impact and tie the look together. Incorporate functional decor like open shelving in the kitchen. Display your favorite ceramic dishes, glass jars, or wooden cutting boards for a practical yet beautiful touch. Bring the outdoors in with greenery. Whether it's fresh herbs in the kitchen or potted plants in the living room, a touch of nature completes the farmhouse aesthetic. And that's how you can transform your home with farmhouse interior decor. Which tip are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.